Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button, notification bell and like the video. Today's video is about the 5.7.4 update. This update will unlock a new tab or a new page in Zoom called apps. So how to do that and how to use those apps and how to use the apps in the meeting we'll discuss in today's video. So let's jump into it. So let's go in this icon and let's quickly click on this icon. Now once we click on the icon, you can see and check for updates. Once you click on the check on updates, update is available. So you just click on the update button and quickly it will start updating. So after the update, I'll show you that how exactly you should use it and everything else. So it's configuring Zoom. Takes a bit of time. Loading, gathering the required information. It's going to take 15 seconds. It's a bit fast. It's done. Maybe. Let me check if there is any more. I think it's done. Let me go. But there. But if I go there, what happens? Let me check over there. Check for updates. We're up to date. Close. Chat. See, so it's as simple as easy. You see that there's a mentioned you option over there. There is a start bookmarked images, messages, all files, and over all files you can see introducing the Zoom apps. So when I clicked on the all files, you see there's another button or option over here which is called as Zoom apps. So if you quickly click on the fifth thing, it's called Zoom apps. Now you see over here my apps. If you go to my apps, I have none. Why is there a network issue? Yeah, add apps to enhance your Zoom experience. So you need to add some apps. Like I didn't add any yet because I just updated in front of you guys. So I'm going to add some games or some applications which will help me. So right now over here in Discover, you can find many different types of apps like Warmly, People Insights, a productivity based app, recordings and sales and transcriptions, collaboration, games. There are many more. So if you download, I'll tell you what to do next after downloading. So I'll download one of the things, which is I'm downloading this Ask Away game. So when I click on add, so it will load me to a website. It will tell me to authorize this thing by logging into Zoom. So once I log into Zoom, it asks me to authorize this. And once I click on authorize, it quickly give me this app to launch. Okay, so once you enter into a Zoom meeting, okay, loading your apps. Okay, let it load for a while, then I will ask you. So it loads like this, the game has begun. So you can either, yeah, you can either start a meeting and you can click ask away. I know. Oh, you can either, you can share with your friends, you can open a new window, refresh your app or close the app, or you can just start a meeting. You can either start from there, or you can either start a meeting from here. And then once you quickly joined, okay, sorry, not joining the meeting, I'll start a new meeting. If I start a new meeting, let it come. It takes a bit of time. Please come. It was a bit slow. Yeah, so once it came, wait, let it come for a while. Let it come. Bit slow this is. Wait, I'll start a new meeting. Speed up problems. Okay, so okay, so now it came. For me this option is not there. Is there? Yeah, it's there. See, so in the end, after reactions you get an apps option over here. So once you click on the apps, it will load your apps. And one sec, let it come. So whatever apps you have installed, it will automatically come there. You will see my apps, ask away the game which I got, so you can quickly open it and you can play. So this was the very newest latest update which came yesterday or today. So you can either start a meeting from there, or you can start from the meeting itself. But make sure you have an account, otherwise it will not work. So I hope you like the video. You can go and subscribe, click on notification, like and comment on the video. Bye, till then, stay tuned.